So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to limit buy Bitcoin Cash, ticker symbol BCH, in Canada on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, next thing you have to do is go into your cryptocurrency account. Then once you're in your crypto account, go to the bottom bar here and press on the magnifying glass. Once you're in this screen, scroll all the way down to where it says trending categories and press on crypto. Then once you're in this screen, scroll all the way down until you see ticker symbol BCH or Bitcoin Cash right here. Then simply just press on Bitcoin Cash. Then once you're in this screen, I'll go down to the bottom left and press on buy. Now to limit buy Bitcoin Cash, simply go to the top, press on market buy, switch it over to limit buy. So by limit buying, you are choosing the highest price per coin you're willing to pay your limit. Your order will only be complete when your limit is met on the market. Press on limit buy right here. Then once you're in this screen, you have to set the highest price you're willing to pay. So as of right now, Bitcoin or BCH price is 365.18. So if I wanted to do 360, for example, I can do that as the highest price I'm comfortable paying. Press on continue, then type in however much money you want to invest into Bitcoin Cash. So I'll just search up $1 right here, press on continue. Then once you're in this screen, simply just press on confirm order to confirm your order. And then by the end of the day, if the order is not fulfilled, the money will be back into your account. So that is how you guys can limit buy Bitcoin Cash, ticker symbol BCH in Canada on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helped.